My name is Mehwish and I'm a manufacturing engineer by discipline. I graduated from Ontario Tech University in 2008. I moved to Sudbury in 2014 and I have been a volunteer since then for the Sudbury chapter. As a proud woman, I'm the first female engineer in my family, and ever since I was growing up, I wanted to look into technology, look into construction. I was very fascinated by how different bridges were made or constructed. So when I was growing up, I looked into different type of disciplines, like what can I do? And my options was to explore between computers and mechanical. And that's when I opted in for manufacturing engineering to get both worlds of automation, industry, and some mechanical. I graduated from Ontario Tech University in 2008 with a manufacturing degree. And ever since, I have been involved in civil construction, project management, program management, some doing engineering work, estimation, bidding, worked at 2 different companies. I'm currently program manager at SnowLab, and we look after internal and external experiments, and I have direct reports under me who are also engineers, so I'm very proud and very happy. I have been volunteering since 2014, and the very first time I attended a chapter meeting, I got along very well with the chair. She was very friendly, very helpful, and she introduced me to all the members and the board at the meeting. Initially, I started my volunteering journey with being the GLP chair. When I was able to meet the ministers at a Queen's Park event, I was hesitant to take up the role, but it was very interesting to showcase the engineering profession to the ministers. And for the longest time, I was a GLP chair for the Sudbury, where we held many Take Your MPPs to Work Day events, even at my work, and different organizations to talk and communicate what PEO does and how it affects the public and the policymakers. So I believe volunteering is very important because it allows you to be part of the discussion and not just see it from the other side. I have been involved because I am very interested in having a diverse group of engineers in a community. As I said earlier, I'm an advocate for women in engineering, and to be supporting PEO's EDI initiatives. I think it's great for me to volunteer and meet like-minded people. When I found out that I was being recognized for the Order of Honor, I was very surprised and grateful at the same time. Often at monthly meetings, the counselor would show up and talk about who's being recognized, and I never thought that I would make it to the list. I'm very happy for my peers for supporting my application and for PEO for giving me the recognition.
The lead nominator says Mehwish Obaid has made exceptional contributions to PEO's regulatory mission. As Sudbury chapter chair, she revitalized volunteer engagement, advanced government liaison program efforts, and promoted ethics and licensure awareness. At SnowLab, she led nationally significant engineering initiatives and championed standardized project practices. A strong advocate for equity and inclusion, she fostered diverse hiring, mentored underrepresented professionals, and delivered impactful STEM outreach. Her leadership in both professional and volunteer roles exemplify the highest standards of ethics, inclusion, and service, making her a deserving candidate for this recognition.
In recognition of her exceptional chapter leadership and contributions to education outreach, Mehwish Obaid is being invested as a member of the Professional Engineers Ontario Order of Honor.